BJP candidate GS Haupu has been elected unopposed from Singhat Assembly constituency well before the November 7 by-elections to 5 assembly seats. Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radhakishore inspected the waste dumping site of Moirang Municipal Council today. During the inspection visit, L. Radhakishore said that the board will inspect 543 healthcare centers of the state and warned that those found violating Pollution Control Act will be fined. The Meitei community in Kasar district of Assam are worshipping Ima Panthovi goddess instead of celebrating Durga Puja. Pandals at Binakandi Part 1 near Barak Bridge, Lawat village in Yaribon Tolen and Kabuganj villages have begun celebration of Ima Panthovi Puja, reports our correspondent. Acting on specific information, a combined team of anti-drug cell Jiribam unit and Jiribam police station seized 2,700 bottles of illegal Cofran CD cough syrup from a truck along National Highway 37 last night. Assam so far has registered a total of 2,02,073 COVID-19 positive cases. So far, a total of 1,74,411 patients have been discharged in Assam after their recovery from the disease. Assam currently has 26,770 active patients. Police on Wednesday arrested 2 members of a notorious fake currency gang from Fakirpara area under Dola police station in Darang district. The report said 600 fake currency notes of Rs 500 denomination were also recovered from their possession. Taking a U-turn on its earlier decision taken in May regarding compensating the families of COVID-19 patients in the state, the Tripura government has now decided that people succumbing to the viral infection after December 31st will not be compensated at all. India reported 55,838 coronavirus cases and 702 deaths in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of infections rose to 77,06,946, while the fatalities surged to 1,16,616. At present, India has 7,15,812 active cases after a decrease of 24,278 in the last 24 hours. As many as 68,74,518 people have been recovered with 79,415 new discharges in the last 24 hours. At least 25 people were injured when lightning struck a residential area at a village in Maharashtra's Thane district, an official said today. During heavy rains in Thane last evening, lightning struck Palaspada hamlet in Ambarmali village near Sahapur Taluka around 7 p.m. Regional Disaster Management Cell Chief Santosh Kadam said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi joined the Durga Puja celebrations in Bengal as he inaugurated a Puja Pandal in Kolkata via video conferencing today. A special Puja Pandal has been set up at Eastern Zonal Cultural Centre in Kolkata. The Prime Minister virtually inaugurated the event a while ago. The Brazilian Health Authority in Anvisa said that a volunteer has died in the clinical trial of the COVID-19 vaccine developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. The regulator, however, confirmed that testing of the vaccine would continue even after the death of the volunteer, without providing any further details, citing medical confidentiality of those involved in trials.